So we're back out in the workshop. Jess, what are we doing?
Got a compressor here.
So we can diagnose it, are we, and find out what's wrong
Well,
with
the
it.
general thing is with these is that what often goes wrong is there's a capacitor which is used to start it. But, capacitor is it stores an extra amount. It allows a big chunk of electricity to be stored like in a bucket.
Oh, right,
a bucket
okay.
that'll hold electricity. And so when you're trying to start the motor, when it needs that initial oomph to get going, just to get it going, it's there ready for a bit extra.
In a way, it's a bit like a battery in a car.
They store up high voltage.
So it's quite a
High
dangerous
voltage
thing,
rock and roll,
then, really.
which then needs discharging, which you can do with a screwdriver like that.
Electrical
Get that way or that way. This is a 70 microfarads, 450 volts.
Right.
Chinese.
But not now because you've discharged it.
I think it might be glued in. Glued in.
Well, didn't you just put some...
Bit of glue, see? Might have been stopping it and anything.
Perhaps we need to look at that first.
And the other thing we could do is look at the idea. Just make sure the whole thing does turn.
Well, that's always a good thing to check. We need something to put it in. Just put it in there.
Okay.
In there.
It's funny because this was, I looked these up, these are expensive online.
Right.
But it looked,
Well,
looks can be deceiving,
yeah.
I guess. Anyway, here's a little, this is a little cover. There's a motor there to compress the air.
Right.
It goes down, out through there.
Right.
Filters the air in through these.
Right.
Compresses it out through there.
Yeah.
And, right. And then here, electric motor.
Right.
This is, so these are the fans to cool, or thinners to be a bit of a heat sink.
Right. Yeah.
Now,
And it's a fan, sort of looking thing. Understand. Behind him. Power.
touch it, don't go anywhere near.
Oh, okay, I'll go over here. Alright, okay.
Discharge the... Oh.
Of
resistance to...
Friction.
Oh, it moved.
It moved. Well, that works.
Who knows?
Who knows?
The secrets of the... Let's unplug that. Let's discharge that just in case it's...
Yeah.
Mystery.
Mystery resolved, possibly? Is the cover impacting its ability to rotate?
I think so. I don't think so.
Pop that back on top.
Right, ready?
3, 2.
Working.
Sounds like it's working. Very good.
So it sounds like it's working. Not to be too hasty in diagnosing it. Because after that first trying to turn the thing around,
Yeah.
and then it not working,
Yeah.
one might easily have thought, oh, it's the capacitor, like they would
As
say.
everybody usually does.
There you go.
And it wasn't.
No, it's brought it home
Yeah.
on its side. at all.
Good. No.
But anyway. Right, so now
Mm-hmm.
you can wheel that back.
What a sturdy looking thing.
That just needs
A bit of a tighten up. Okay. We'll take it over to the feed. Okay. Ooh. Bloody hell.
Turn that off.
Right.
There is pressure in the thing in the tank now.
All right. Okay.
All I need now is to find a
Something to put on the end of that.
Right. So it looks like I've taken the here. There's probably a broken.
Right.
But we can
Establish that
what's going on.
something's going on.
Well,
Perfect.
should be an airline.
An airline, technically. Pumping air out.
But if I get a thing on the end of that,
Yeah, that's an airline. We have found the airline.
just unscrew it from there.
What you didn't expect to find in here, you found.
Yeah.
Okay.
And hopefully,
Tube. Metal tube.
so what we're going to do,
Clean it off.
There, but we've got to clean this first.
Okay. That one has worked.
Seems to.
That's good. Voila. Right.
Well, just to test it.
Right. These are
It's all flat, so
air in it, indeed.
I couldn't hold that.
I could.
Squeeze it when I squeeze it.
Hang on, get my hand up in the right place. Ready?
Right, now.
And again.
Right.
Try again. Expected to work brilliantly, did you?